Hi, welcome to another video on my fischertechnik TXT discovery robot. Last time I fixed some problems with sound, which did work. However, not everything is still done, I think. Another thing that has not worked for some time is the lamp, and I have no idea why that is, apart from the fact that it is totally dependent, algorithmic speaking, of turns of the wheels. So let's start with doing the sound. Like here it says play sound, but if I go a little bit further, here these are places that I still have to adjust. That much is clear. And here is a place that I already have adjusted. So each of those should have the for loop in it, which I'm going to do right now here as well. To limit the number of sounds in the loop, let's have 0 to 4 once again. Now this is exactly the same. So that's one thing. Now I need to do the same here. I have, as you can see, a different number of sounds and different sounds. So I'm quite curious how this will become. Actually, I should change this one, because it has no use. This should be a colon, not a semicolon. And it has no use to do twice 3,1. So I make it 6,1. And let's see what the result is. This is not good. This is correct indentation. So let's see what else needs to be done. This is clearly to be adjusted. And that is just one line, no problem. And I realize I forget something, because here I have a break within the if, which I don't have here. So in here I need to add the break, which I also need to do here. Otherwise it will go on and on and on and on. So let's put this one after the print. and I think then I have them all. Let me check. That has it. Here they are. Alright, so with this done, let's check. I'm very curious about the result. And this is it. Let's go. I hope. Camera connected. Wheels are running fine. Just fine. Propeller is running fine. Now I keep my hand in front of the sonar. Nothing really happens. Okay, I'm touching one touch sensor. There it goes. And you can see, yes, you can see, yes, right. Now it says speed is 30, distance is 9, and here the distance was sensed at 22, and yes, so that it does. So finally something works. So now I am going to start over. Press the sensor, lamp on, no. Alright, well, something happens in any way, so let's move on. This being done, the problem now is, why doesn't the lamp work? Like here, I clearly said the lamp is being done, but it isn't. And what other places is the lamp being done? Very simple way to check it. Lamp. Only. Oh, that. Alright, only if motor links finished, motor rest finished. When is the sound being done? Let's see. Sound is being done only when motor rest is finished. Yes. So this is a problem, and it will likely never happen, because when are they finished together? That's a very good question. So what I am going to do in this case is copy the line, make sure this one is like this, and then say, for instance, If not, so oops, this is not good. If not motor link finished and motor is finished. Let's see what that brings. There we go. I'm just trying now with my hand and I didn't see anything. Okay. So once again I touch the second sensor, which it doesn't register, funnily enough. Still not. Okay, I touch it. What I think I should do, contact 1. Okay, contact 2 is on the left side. And then the very good question is, which one again is motor 1? I think the one on the left side is motor 1. So if not motor 1 finished. Okay, so let me touch the other one. There we go. And I still don't see light. Nope. And starting again. And I gently press contact 2. Contact 2 speed is 0. Okay, then how can I make sure that I know what I'm talking about? Because it is saying while not motor is finished, and I took that from the example. So what I can better do is say while motor links is finished and not. I think that will be a slightly better idea, but we'll see. So motor is finished. But I don't see the lamp. Okay, let's see it again. Why is that not working? I can do it in another way as well, making here 2 seconds so I really see it being put on, if it is being put on, which is a good question. touching sensor 1. Now I'm letting the touch sensors for what they are, and I just use sonar to see if that works in any way. Can't say I do. Okay, then it is time for let's say physical testing, wire testing. So let's put it on. So Robo Pro, then I have to set the interface port, which is in this case and let's have a test. So I'm using M5 if I recall correctly, so that's that one, and oh yes, it shines brightly. Too bad I can't do cam on screen, but you'll have to take my word for it, it works. So that means it's in the algorithm. Once again in the algorithm. Let's see to the other stuff, because it is saying while not motorist finished, and then it plays the sound, and if text sound finished. So if I take, what if I just take this one out, the left motor? This is not really working, not as I like. So, and then let's just try it. This should be working anyway, no matter what. All right. And I pay attention to the lamp now, which is not working at all. No lamp. And the lamp area. And I'm pressing the contact again, lamp on. But it doesn't do it. Okay. So Where does it go wrong? Is it in the wire? Because that is also a possibility. I did M5, M6. I think that may be the culprit. I put M5. If I change this to M5, on the other hand, it did work in the past. So let's see how this works out. Oh, camera not connected. Give me a break. Kill 1324. Okay, thank you. Run it. And then pressing entering lamp area, but it doesn't do it. There's no lamp being done. So I did 5, 6, counting. Yes, that should be then 4 or 5, 5 or 6. Going into the code again. And I have 5 here. And it obviously does not work at all. So here is a riddle. Maybe 4 was wrong, but time and time ago it did work. Now it doesn't. So how can that be explained? As yet I have no idea. But I'll have to find out. So the focus is now on the lamp. In RoboPro we can see that it is output 5, and you can reason 0 to 4, which is 5, but in this case everything is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, the documentation said something different, and that is weird. So let me change this back to 4. Run it again. Pressing contact. Okay, I need to use the sonar. So let's do that. It doesn't do it. Okay. Enter lamp area. Yeah, but I don't see it working. That being said, let me change this to 512. Should work. So once again, with sonar. no lamp action at all. This is really weird. Okay, back to 5. And again sonar. And again nothing. Okay. I think this will do for now. Attention really has to be on the lamp, because sound works, which is obviously the propeller works, touch sensors work, the sonar works, camera is for now just image taking and non-interesting images at this moment. So the only thing left is, as said, the lamp, which is weird that it doesn't work, but at least the algorithm is a lot better now. So for now, that is for the next episode. Thank you for watching, and to be continued. And if you like my videos, be so kind to subscribe, and see also my website, which is noted in the end screen of the video and below the video, with a lot with more interesting projects. Thank you.